Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Megan. If you didn't know, now you know. And today we're doing Easter nails, but not your traditional Easter nails. These are going to be based on the Easter moon. Let's get started. As per usual, we need a base coat, and today it's going to be Orly Bonder. And then I'm also going to go in and put down a base of white so that the colors I put on top of this stand out as best as possible. I don't want them to be kind of transparent, so it's Orly white tips. Alright, so we're about to do a bit of a marble. We're going to do the Nina Ultra Pro Wear Extender base coat as our slip. We're gonna do Cirque colors. This is a jelly in the shade Morningtide. And then we're also gonna do Nina Ultra Pro. This is a blue with a greenish shimmer in the shade Caribbean Blue. And then I'm just gonna be using this ombre brush to put it on. This is a amalgamation of top coats. It is finger paints and China glaze. When they start to get low, I just pour them all together because I don't want to throw away a bunch of half bottles, so I can use them this way. But this is definitely just a bunch of top coats poured together. I'm going to put this on real quick to help this dry down so we can move on to art. And then we are going to put some Holo taco, reflective taco, on here to give it a little bit of sparkle, since this is the sky in sorts. Alright, now we've got a lot of product on here, so we are going to have to wait a little while for it to dry. Luckily for you, you don't have to wait with me, so I'll be right back. Alright, those have had a moment to dry, so we're going to go in with these stickers. So that's what I'm doing. We're gonna put in a moon, maybe some stars and some clouds. We'll kind of see how it goes. I am gonna kind of talk to you guys through this and then probably speed it up a little bit. We'll kind of just see. Let me get a piece of this moon. So it was just recently that I even learned that Easter was to do with the moon. And so when I was planning my Easter nails and I heard that, I was like, that's perfect. Like, everybody is going to do rabbits and chicks and eggs and things like that. And I was like, I want to do something different. I do not like, let me zoom this in. I do not like that this moon blends in with the background. I may have made a poor decision. I'll figure that out. Put a cloud over here and see how that goes. Yeah, they're kind of transparent, so they're basically just disappearing. This is not what I expected. It's okay. It's okay. We're still gonna put them on here. They'll be subtle. So I actually forgot what I was even talking about. What was it? Something about the moon. Yes, I wanted to do something different. Dang, you can't even hardly see that. And so I decided this would be the route to go, and I'm actually going to put some other stickers on here as well, because I have an inspo photo. I may include that at the end so that you can see where I got my idea of what I wanted to do. These stickers almost have like an airbrush effect. If I'd put them on a solid color, I think they probably would have shown up a lot better. But that's all the astrological stickers I was gonna do. So I've got these stickers. I think these are cherry blossoms, at least that was my hope. So I'm gonna put some of these on here as well. Alright, so that's what I've got. can get you some better view real quick. I hope you can see what this looks like. I'm definitely going to get you some outside photos as per usual. You really can't see the moon and stuff, but you can see the flowers, so that's nice. Is there anything else I should add? That is the question. I did consider like going over the moon with a little bit of like yellow polish to help it glow, but I think it would just turn green. That's definitely not the look that we're going for. So let me give this a little bit of time to dry because the polish is still wet underneath, and then we'll come back and top coat and examine. All right, let's go ahead and put on our mishmash top coat, and then we'll get to the photos. I'm putting on this top coat kind of thick so that it will seal it all in when it dries down and maybe not get too thin, because as you know with nail polish, when it dries it thins, and so that's when you lose your depth. These are thick boys for now, but they won't be once they're dried. Alright, so what do you think? Let me know. Are they cute? Do you think they have anything to do with the Easter moon? Are these in fact cherry blossoms? Why is it so blurry? I can't tell if it really is or if it's just the way it looks in this little camera. Anyway, you're probably seeing the outside photos now. I try to get you a few different angles so you can get a good look. Hope the weather is looking good in these photos. It does appear to be sunny from behind my curtain. But anyway, thank you so much for watching my video. Thank you for subscribing and your comments and your likes and all of your interaction. I do really appreciate it. I love making these videos, and I love that you guys get joy and entertainment out of watching them. Definitely do be following me on my socials. Sometimes there's other stuff over there. And then as always, there is that giveaway that's coming, but we're growing pretty slowly. So it seems like it might be a while. We're just trying to get to 500, which isn't even a big number, but the process is the process, and we'll get there one day, hopefully. So that's it. I will see you guys in the next video. Goodbye.